How to see your phone's yearly recap. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Let me tell you an application which will help you to navigate the application you have used frequently this year, along with the top 5 application that you frequently use. Now this magical application can be downloaded from Play Store. Basically, this application is called TimeWise Your Wrapped. If you wish to search for your Play Store or App Store in the search bar, just search for TimeWise Your Wrapped. Then click on the install button and tap on open. After which you'll be redirected to its interface. Click on continue. Now, if it asks for any of the permission, make sure to grant it. Once a report is ready, just click on View Report option. Then it will let you know the most frequently used application this year, along with your top 5 most used app of the year. Not only that, it will also let you know how many hours you use your phone, also the number of times you have unlocked your phone, and the most amazing thing is it will let you know the amount of notification you get each day. Now, if you have a high screen time just like mine, it might also suggest you some of the tips to reduce it, or you might find a different tip as well. To know what comes to the end, make sure to download TimeWise Your Wrap today from your or Play Store. This sums up the tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning.